11 laps. Wednesday, January 6, 1988. The alarm clock keeps ringing. My alarm clock keeps ringing even after I stop it. I can't get rid of the nasty noise, no matter where I put it. Underneath the futon, in the closet, in the kotatsu, or underneath the cushion. I take it to the house next to mine, but it is my house again. I open up the cover of the clock and yank out its battery, but it still won't stop ringing. I think about smashing it against the floor, and my mom's face suddenly pops up in my mind. Holding the ringing clock in my hand, I'm feeling lost